Hello everyone, I'm back. Hey, I am so happy to be back here. I will be posting on my home and garden channel with Linda Sue anything about home and garden, so stay tuned. Plants in my yard anyway always seem to grow larger than what the tag states. These Euphorbias have to come out. They're just way too large for this small flower bed and to be in front of the border. I hate to do it, but these Euphorbias are way too big. And right now, the bees are just loving it. They're all over this plant. So I will be rehoming these to my daughter's house, which I seem to be supplying her with tons of plants. I think she loves it. I'm going to water these in really well right now as I'm removing them. They're very shallow rooted and easy to take out, and they transplant very well. I should know that because I've transplanted like 3 of them. And I'm going to take these and I'm going to put them in the shade so that they aren't in too much shock. One down, 2 more to go. So now you can see all of the plants. You can see the peonies that I planted here. You can see my beautiful maple tree that's about ready to just burst open with leaves. My ferns, my hydrangeas. I have all sorts of plants in there that are just now coming up. So now I get to go buy some more plants. Don't tell Steve. So the moral of the story is, if you don't like something, remove it. Put something there that you love and you'll enjoy. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.